And lastly, according to the latest rumors and to the sources, RB Leipzig are ready to sell Benjamin Šeško. The Slovenian is of interest to two big Premier League teams, it's United and Arsenal, and apparently the price set by the Germans is around 59 million pounds. Personally, I think when it comes to either of those teams, but especially Arsenal, the Germans could probably ask for twice that, and Arsenal should pay it because they don't have a striker. They don't really have much hope to get a huge signing in terms of their attacking compartment. And yeah, they were interested in him last summer. It didn't come through. So they should actually probably ask for more.